We're just gonna have his wet socks, but we're having a stream of water while JM is dying up there. JM, how are you going?
Dying.
Dying.
Nick, do you know where we're going?
No? Okay, you're on the bed. Water everywhere. Stop ka?
Oh, JM, it's good for 3 hours.
No. Overland Wombat Pool.
That way.
Aren't you glad you have a Gore-Tex? Yes. Gore-Tex. Just walk around the water areas.
Cabin in the woods. How scary is that? So this is where the rocks were. Ah, there it is.
So we arrived here near the house, but the mountain is still not visible. It's snowing and hailing at the same time, but still cool. So mate, what can you think? What do you think, mate?
Fuck that shit.
What shit? Okay. Yeah, we're gonna go there in a few. Just doing a 360, 180, whatever it is. Hey, you wanna go shade, mate? Yeah, you can go back, Laura. I'll wait. Gore-Tex, mate. You can just step more water. Yep. Okay, you got it right.
Because we're a team.
We're a team.
And if you want to go out,
Yeah.
I stay.
You stay.
And if I stay,
We all stay.
you wanted to stay, I wanted to go out. So you go out.
Yep.
You go out and you want me to go out, I don't go out.
You lost me there. I don't know. Go out, stay. Yeah.
I'm just saying,
Yep.
if you want to stay, I want to go out.
Okay. And if you want to go out,
You want to use that trick on me in the future.
what
The
trick?
reverse psychology stuff. If you want to stay,
Uh-huh.
and I would say, shit, we're already here. We went all the way here, and you just want to stay in the car,
Yeah.
like you always tell me.
Uh-huh.
Then I want to go out.
Okay.
You get it?
I don't. Okay, I get it. Yeah.
If we go somewhere and you're already out, taking pictures and shit, I say,
Yeah.
oh, fuck it. I'm not interested. But
Okay.
if we go all the way here,
Yeah.
and you want to stay in the fucking car,
It's cool.
then what the fuck is that for?
Okay, stop saying fuck.
Fuck, fuck, fuck.
We're on
fuckity,
national
fuckity, fuck.
YouTube. On my channel. And still no sign of the mountain. But we saw them yesterday. This little
What do you mean
tiny
on the mountain? Are you blind?
No, it's not there. Can you see? Are you not blind? Oh,
It's so warm.
yeah.
I swear to God, it's so warm.
Yeah. Life is good. Life is great. Thanks, Tassie. Finally, the mountain's showing up. It's supposed to have yellow streaks there if we got the good view of it during sunrise, but it's too cloudy, so we didn't get a good shot of it for the sunrise shot. But either way, I'm happy to be here, seeing snowfall, hail, and the creepy windy weather. But bottom line is it's still good. I'm happy.